Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatimin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd. Fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Baqarah. Bi'sa mashtaru bihi anfusahum an yakfuru bima anzalallahu baghiyan an yunazzila Allah min fadlihi ala man yasha'u min ibadihi. Faba'u bi ghadabin ala ghadab. Walil kafirin adhabun muhin. Translation: evil is that for which they have bartered their souls, that they should deny the revelations of Allah, grudging that Allah should send down of His bounties on whomever He wills of His servants. So they have brought on themselves wrath upon wrath, for the disbelievers is a humiliating punishment. Bani Israel and Jews, they denied Quran, and they denied Quran which was predicted in Torah. In the Torah, which was the book of Jews, and they believed on it, and they knew that the final messenger is coming, bringing with him the final book of Allah, and all the signs were mentioned in Torah. But when they saw Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. They rejected Quran. So it means they rejected their own book. They rejected the Torah and the message of Torah when they rejected Quran. And we have seen that they used to fight with the polytheists of Medina, and whenever they fought, they used to say that in the near future, Prophet of Allah, the final Prophet of Allah, is coming with the final book of Allah, and we will believe him, and with him we will fight with you and will destroy you. They used to pray to Allah that, oh Allah, send the final messenger and the final book as soon as possible, so that we can fight with these polytheists and we can kill them and we can fight for you. They used to say that the time is very near, but when Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam came and they saw that the final messenger came from Bani Ismail, and he did not come from Bani Israel, they were jealous. And they became arrogant that we are Bani Israel, we are the chosen one, we are better than Bani Ismail, and the final messenger should be from us. But Allah says that Allah give the message, Allah give the message to whomever He likes, whomever He wants. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give the message to him. So Allah chose Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, and they were not happy and they rejected. And when they rejected, they became disbeliever. And as we have said, the reason was their jealousy, their arrogance, and also they were afraid that they will lose their status. They will lose the status of the scholars of the deen of Allah. They will lose the status as the chosen one, and they will lose their wealth and castles and everything they had gathered in this world. So they rejected Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Allah says in the end that walil kafirin adabun muhin, that for the disbelievers is the humiliating punishment. We should understand that many Muslims will get the punishment as well, but that punishment will be for their purification through the punishment. That punishment will not be for the disgrace, and that punishment will not be for humiliation, but the disbelievers, the kuffar, will get a punishment that will be a humiliating punishment. Oh Allah, give us true understanding of Quran. Oh Allah, give us the vision so we can see the truth, we can identify the truth, and we can follow the truth. Oh Allah, Ameen. Wa akhiru dawana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.